Can you name these times of day in English? Dawn, morning, noon, afternoon, dusk, evening, night, at, slash, asterisk, hyphen, underscore, dot, comma, colon, semicolon, parenthesis. Stop using these words in essays. Firstly, to begin with. Secondly, furthermore. Thirdly, additionally. Lastly, in conclusion. Don't say very cute. Say adorable.
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 Don't say very clean. Say spotless.
This place is spotless.
The kitchen is spotless.
Don't say very rich. Say wealthy.
Wealthy investors.
I didn't go to college, and I'm wealthy in the most important.
Don't say very poor. Say destitute.
I'm destitute.
I may be destitute.